Welcome to Platinum Tranquility, your go-to channel for natural remedies and holistic wellness. Today, we're uncovering the secrets of an ancient doctor's miracle cure, castor oil and baking soda. This powerful combination has been used for centuries to treat 14 common ailments, from joint pain and skin issues to digestive problems and more. Disclaimer: this video is for information or educational purposes only. This is not a substitute for medical advice or care. Please contact a health professional before using any supplements. Welcome back to Platinum Tranquility. Today, we're diving into an ancient healing remedy that has been making waves for generations: castor oil and baking soda, the miracle mix that can treat up to 14 diseases. From its anti-inflammatory properties to its antibacterial power, this natural remedy has been hailed by medical experts and traditional healers alike. But how exactly does it work? And how can you use it to transform your health? Let's break it down. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, which is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. This oil has been used for centuries to promote healing. From soothing skin irritations to reducing pain. On the other hand, baking soda is a natural alkalizer, balancing the body's pH levels and helping with detoxification. Together, this powerful duo can target a wide range of ailments, including chronic pain, skin issues, and even digestive problems. But that's just the beginning. Here's a list of the 14 diseases and ailments this miracle mix can help with: arthritis pain, muscle inflammation, joint pain, skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis, constipation, digestive disorders, cysts and growths, cold and flu symptoms, migraines, sinus congestion, foot and nail fungus, scars and stretch marks, sore muscles, lymphatic congestion. Amazing, right? Let's take a deeper look at how to prepare this mixture safely and effectively for each of these conditions. Let's go deeper into how this powerful miracle mix can specifically help with each of these 14 conditions. And make sure to watch till the end for the miracle mix recipe. Here's the breakdown. Number 1. Arthritis pain. Castor oil is known for its ability to reduce inflammation, and when combined with baking soda, it helps to alkalize the affected area, reducing joint stiffness and pain. Gently massaging the paste into the joints can relieve arthritis symptoms. Applying it twice a day can help improve mobility and decrease discomfort over time. Number 2. Muscle inflammation. Muscle inflammation from overuse or injury can be soothed with the anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil. When used alongside baking soda's ability to reduce acidity, the mixture promotes faster recovery and reduces soreness. Apply it as a warm compress for about 20 to 30 minutes for the best results. Number 3. Joint pain. This mix is effective in soothing joint pain by targeting the underlying inflammation. For those dealing with chronic joint pain, a weekly regimen of the miracle mix can help reduce flare-ups and discomfort. Regular application promotes circulation and helps loosen stiff joints. Number 4. Skin conditions, eczema and psoriasis. Both castor oil and baking soda are gentle on the skin and help reduce irritation and itching. Castor oil's fatty acids nourish the skin, while baking soda's alkalizing properties help balance the pH, reducing flare-ups. Apply a thin layer to the affected skin for relief and to help restore smooth, healthy skin. Number 5. Constipation. Castor oil has been used for centuries as a natural laxative. While you should not consume baking soda with castor oil in large quantities, a small external application of this mixture on the abdomen can promote bowel movements by stimulating the bowels and relaxing muscles. Number 6. Digestive disorders. Massage this miracle mix onto the abdomen to relieve indigestion, bloating, or stomach cramps. Castor oil helps detoxify the digestive system, while baking soda neutralizes stomach acids. This method works great for occasional digestive discomfort. Number 7. Cysts and growths. Applying castor oil to cysts helps reduce their size due to its ability to penetrate deep into the tissue and promote lymphatic drainage. Baking soda works by balancing the skin's pH, helping break down abnormal growths over time. Use the mixture as a poultice, covering it with a clean bandage overnight. Number 8. Cold and flu symptoms. To relieve chest congestion, apply the mixture to the chest and back to help open up airways. Castor oil acts as a natural decongestant, while baking soda helps restore the body's natural balance, aiding in faster recovery from colds and flu. Number 9. Migraines. Applying this mix to the temples, forehead, or neck can alleviate tension and reduce the severity of migraines. Castor oil's soothing properties reduce tension, while baking soda helps balance internal acidity, which can be a trigger for some migraine sufferers. Number 10. Sinus congestion. By applying the miracle mix to the bridge of the nose and the area surrounding the sinuses, you can help relieve sinus congestion and pressure. The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil work alongside baking soda's ability to reduce swelling, providing quick relief. Number 11. Foot and nail fungus. The antifungal properties of both castor oil and baking soda make this mixture a great remedy for foot and nail fungus. Apply the mixture to the affected nails and skin, letting it sit for 20 minutes before rinsing off. This regular treatment can help clear infections and promote healthy nails. Number 12. Scars and stretch marks. Castor oil deeply moisturizes the skin and stimulates collagen production, helping to fade scars and stretch marks over time. Baking soda gently exfoliates the skin, removing dead cells and improving skin texture. Apply the mix to the affected areas daily for the best results. Number 13. Sore muscles. After exercise or a long day, this mixture can work wonders in relaxing sore muscles. The anti-inflammatory benefits of castor oil combined with baking soda's ability to reduce lactic acid buildup make this an excellent remedy for post-workout recovery. Massage it into the muscles and cover with a warm cloth for 30 minutes. Number 14. Lymphatic congestion. Castor oil is renowned for its ability to promote lymphatic drainage. When applied to areas of the body where lymph nodes are concentrated, such as underarms or the neck, it helps decongest the lymphatic system, promoting better circulation. The alkalizing effect of baking soda supports this detoxification process, helping to cleanse the system. Now that we understand how powerful this mixture is, let's go ahead and make it. Here's what you'll need. 1 tablespoon of castor oil. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix these ingredients together until you get a smooth paste. Now, it's ready to use. Whether you're dealing with skin issues, joint pain, or even muscle soreness, apply the paste to the affected area. If needed, you can also use a warm cloth to cover the area and let the mixture absorb for 20 to 30 minutes. Many people have shared incredible success stories using this remedy, from easing arthritis pain to reducing the appearance of scars. It's important to always do a patch test first and consult with a healthcare provider if you have any medical concerns, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or on medication. There you have it, the old doctor's miracle mix of castor oil and baking soda, an easy, natural remedy with the potential to treat 14 different diseases and improve your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing health tips and natural remedies. And of course, hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching, and remember to take care of your body, mind, and spirit. See you next time on Platinum Tranquility. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Platinum Tranquility for more tips on how to enhance your body, mind, and spirit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.